Railways Minister Suresh Prabhu has taken a dig at Rahul Gandhi over the Soot Boot Ki Sarkar remark, saying the opposition didn't want them to wear shoes and was forcing a dress code. In an exclusive interview to NDTV on 1 year of the Modi government, Mr. Prabhu also rebutted criticism that the government's focus on introducing bullet trains was a misplaced priority with a unique analogy: just because I love my mother doesn't mean I'm not loving my wife.
How do you respond to the perception or the opposition's accusation that the government is pro-corporate, pro-industry, the Soot Boot Ki Sarkar jibe that Rahul Gandhi made?
You know, first of all, I don't know what is meant by Soot Boot Sarkar. Of course, I will be very happy if our opposition doesn't want us to wear any shoes and we want to just walk like that. I don't mind doing that. If that is what, because everybody, including the opposition, I'm sure they wear something or other. But if you want to wear, no problem at all. And now if they want to decide the dress code for the country, this is something we are already talking about, that we are trying to do moral policing. Is it something that we want to tell people that where we should clothes? But in any case, I don't see anybody around me who is wearing a suit in this particular weather. It is not a good idea to wear that anyway.
No, but it's on the perception issue.
So that's what I'm saying. If you try to create a wrong perception, it will not stick, because it's not a reality. We are the people who are grounded into the reality. The Prime Minister of India, where he came from. He came from a most humble background, and he's the first Prime Minister to occupy the highest office coming from such a humble background. So should we be proud of it, or we should not be proud of it? So now look at it like this. What is the DNA of this government? The DNA of this government is, really speaking, farmers, poor, deprived classes. That's what are the bulk of our MPs.
How do you though respond to the criticism by people like former Railway Minister Dinesh Trivedi, who said the other day that, bullet trains shouldn't be the priority. You need to get our current trains, our suburban trains, our current network to work better, that our priorities are misplaced.
Of course, I only wish that he had the same view when he was a minister. Because this bullet train idea has been pursued for a very long time, and even for a time when we are not in the government. But our view of bullet train is very simple. We are not trying to develop bullet train at the expense of the common passenger facilities. We want to use public money as much as possible only for the common people who travel by it.
So you're saying you haven't sort of lost sight of what the real goal is?
No, absolutely not. Our priorities are clear, but this is not at the expense of other.
Yeah.
If I love my mother, doesn't mean I'm not loving my wife. So we can love both at the same time, right? So this is a priority, but not a priority at the expense of the other.